Thank you for checking out The Pretty Fix. I'm celebrity makeup artist Melissa Murdock, here to teach you all about how to achieve a really pretty, no makeup look. I'm pretty sure that every girl has times where she wants to look her best without looking like she tried too hard. This is definitely a look I myself have worn when I went on a first date because I wanted to trick the guy I was seeing into thinking I was just naturally born this pretty. These are the types of ninja mind games women are playing. Anyway, this tutorial is going to show you how to enhance all of your features in a way that still looks natural and ultimately makes you look like the best version of yourself. If you're brand new to makeup, this is going to be a really great tutorial to get started with because these steps are really easy. You don't need any makeup brushes at all, and it's going to help you get comfortable with doing a full makeup look without going overboard. So let's get into it. To achieve this natural look, you'll need your current moisturizer, a liquid highlighter, your current concealer, a single light shimmery eyeshadow, a black or brown eyeliner pencil, brow gel, mascara, cream blush, and a lip product of some sort that is similar to your natural lip color. To start giving your skin a natural glow, mix just a couple drops of your highlighter into your moisturizer and then apply it all over your face. You should notice that you have a nice soft sheen on your skin. If you look too shiny or if you can see a lot of shimmer particles, you've used too much highlighter, so scale it back a bit. If you have oily skin, feel free to skip the highlighter and just use your moisturizer so you don't get too shiny. There is absolutely no bigger giveaway that you are wearing makeup than having on a ton of foundation. So for this look, we're actually gonna skip it altogether. Instead, apply some concealer to any areas that need it on your face, like your under eye area, on your eyelid, any breakouts, redness, or any other discolored areas you might notice. Use a finger to pat the concealer in so that it really melts and merges into your skin. If this step has you in a panic because you just really feel like you need foundation, that's totally okay. Just try and apply it in the same fashion. Basically, you only want to use it in the areas that need it, and then you want to pat it into the skin afterwards so that it looks more natural. Powder eyeshadow can sometimes be really noticeable because it just kind of sits on top of the skin. So to combat this, we're going to actually apply it with a finger, and just like with your concealer, this helps it melt in. Pick up a bit of your light colored eyeshadow with your middle finger and then pat it all across your eyelid until that entire area is covered. Then use that same finger, start blending the shadow up towards the crease of your eye from the inner to the outer edge. You shouldn't really need any additional blending, so we've only used a small amount of eyeshadow, but if anything looks weird, you can always wipe off a bit with a clean finger. Next, let's do some secret eyeliner. Instead of lining on top of your lash line, use a finger to raise up your eyelid and then line underneath from the inner corner to the outer corner of your eye. This really gives your eye some definition without looking like you're wearing makeup. Just so you know, if you're blinking a lot, that's totally normal. This is a really sensitive part of the eye, so just do the best that you can. To round things off here, just do one clean coat of mascara on your upper eyelashes. Really wipe the excess mascara off the wand before you apply it, and then gently comb through your lashes without wiggling back and forth to load them up with mascara. It creates a much more natural effect this way. Lastly, groom your brows into place by brushing through them with a clear brow gel to set them in place. To add just a little touch of color to your cheeks, smile, and then use a finger to pat cream blush in a circular motion right where your cheeks stick out the most prominently. Keep widening out the circle that you're patting on your cheek until you see that the blush is disappearing seamlessly into your skin. If for some reason it's a bit too noticeable, you can always pat a little concealer back on top and that'll blend it back in. Rather than applying a really thick or heavy lip, use your finger to pat on either your favorite gloss, lipstick, or even a tinted lip balm so that you end up with a mouth that's enhanced but it's not overpowering. This is going to put the finishing touch on your look and it's going to make all of your features pop equally. I hope that if you made it through this tutorial, you're gonna start making this your go-to look, because it's honestly the best way to both look and feel amazing without using a ton of makeup. If this tutorial was helpful to you, make sure you hit that subscribe button along with the notifications bell and give us a like. Also, I really want to know what you want to know about makeup, so please comment below with any struggles that you're having, any looks or tutorials you'd like to see, and then head over to our full site at theprettyfix.com for way more makeup madness.